Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Assam Mizoram border dispute flares up. 6 policemen killed. CRPF deployed. A long-standing interstate border dispute between Assam and Mizoram erupted into fresh violence on Monday. Central forces have now been deployed in the area to bring the situation under control and prevent any more untoward incidents. The latest clash was the culmination of tensions simmering between locals of Lalabur village in Assam, Kachar district and neighboring Varanchti village in Mizoram's Kolasip district. A recent encroachment thereby Assam police is believed to have added to the tensions. Just earlier this week, Union Home Minister Amit Shah chaired a meeting of the Chief Minister of all northeastern states in Shillong to discuss border disputes among other key issues. Prior to that, Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla had called a meeting of the Chief Secretaries and DGPs of Assam and Mizoram in a bid to resolve the border dispute. Tokyo Olympics, Clinical India beats Spain 3-0 in men's hockey to recover from heavy defeat to Australia. India put behind with disappointment from their 1-7 defeat to Australia by pulling off a clinical 3-0 win against Spain. Goals from Shiramjit Singh and Rupinder Lapal Singh gave India the win. India were the dominant team for much of the game and managed to soak in the pressure whenever Spain were attacking. They had the first chance in Simranjit missing a chance in the 8th minute. Spain then went to an attack and took a number of shots within the 12th minute, but India managed to stay put and hit them on the counter with Simranjit score to make it 1-0 in the 14th minute. India then received a flurry of penalty corners and Rupinder converted the fourth of them to help India go into the second quarter leading 2-0. Spain went on attack in the second quarter, but the Indians repelled them to maintain their 2-goal lead. Piastri was called into the action in the 24th minute and laid his troops strongly throughout the rest of the half as a frustrated Spain went into the half-time trailing 2-0. India came all the guns blazing in the third quarter and Spain managed to hold on the prevent themselves from going further behind. They could not convert a PC towards the end of the quarter. And Rupinder Pal Singh then scored in the fourth to extend their lead to the third goals. Their lead to 3 goals. Several injured in stampede at Ujjain's Mahakaleshwar temple amid VIP visit. Several people, including women and children, were injured when a stampede-like situation occurred at the Mahakaleshwar temple in Madhya Pradesh, Ujjain on Monday. According to the source, the situation went out of control as several people thrown to the temple along with the VIPs, including Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and former Chief Minister Uma Bharti, which affected the crowd management. In a video of the incident, several people could be seen pushing and jostling at the gate number 4 of the temple. That eventually led to the stampede-like situation. Even policemen personnel who tried to rescue the situation were overpowered by the crowds. Speaking on the incident, Ujjain District Collector Ashish Singh said the situation will be normal next Monday. This Monday was an exception, but we will plan for next Monday and ensure social distancing, he said. Ujjain Mahakaleshwar temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva. It opened last month for devotees who had received at least one shot of COVID-19 vaccine or carried a negative RT-PCR report. The administration has put a cap of 3,500 visitors to the temple between 6 a.m. and 8 p.m. with entry restricted to 500 people in 2 hours.
জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.